Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you about the 5 benefit of the multi-cloud. With the help of multi-cloud, you are able to do the following thing. First, you can integrate the multiple cloud into one cloud. As you see the name, multi-cloud mean it support more than 30 cloud. User can manage all your cloud with one click. Let's show the website of the multi-cloud. Here you see the website of the multi-cloud. Sign up for you is free. And here you see the some benefit of the multi-cloud transfer file between cloud drive. For instance, you can easily move all file from one Google Drive to another, or use copy and paste to copy certain file from Dropbox to Google Drive and as a cloud transfer run or multiple. And the other benefit of the cloud is keep two cloud services sync. With multi-cloud, you can easily sync two cloud services or two folder or two different cloud account. You can also set up schedule for sync your data between clouds. And the next benefits, you manage all your account in a one place, uh, like Window Explorer and storage and kind of thing. You can read here. And the one and more bigger benefit of this portal is you can manage more than 30 of your drive on a single portal on a single click. Let's get sign up here to show how you can manage all these things. Here you can see they provide three options for you to log in on this portal. One is the Google Cloud, other is the Facebook ID, and third is the iCloud Apple ID. And now I'm going to sign up with my Google account. Here you can see the my ID. It requires for access of your Google Drive. Let's give the access to access. Here you can see the flash sale just for 24 hours left. If you choose this package on $7 for month, provide the 100 GB. 1200 GB for per year for is require $49, and 99 is required for unlimited data also. Here you can see the portal of the multi-cloud. Let's check these option. You can create a task to transfer your Google OneDrive data to other drive as per your particular schedule. You set the time, you set the weekly, you set the monthly time, day and time. uh, Team transfer mean you add the different multiple cloud here. You add your target cloud here. If you have a team or you are working in a organization where the people use OneDrive or Google Drive, so you can share one folder to multiple user. So you need to add the multiple user here and send it to the multiple user with single click. You can sync one cloud with the other cloud. For example, you have a Google Cloud and you need to move the data of the Google Cloud to the OneDrive. So you need to select Google Drive and put the data here to OneDrive. You make the backup of OneDrive and you decide to store this backup to the other drive or storage. Uh, Remote upload, need to remote just add the different account or some computers here. So all these computer data upload here. You can share with file with the many other accounts. Let's add the multiple cloud here. Now I'm going to show how to add the multiple cloud here. First we add the Google Drive. It allow me to sign in and allow the permission to access the Google Drive. So we can access your data here. Here you see the data of my Google Drive. Let's add another. Share with me. Let's add OneDrive. In this way, you can add more than 30 drive. Draw. You can add Dropbox, iCloud, Ford, Mega, SharePoint, Online, pCloud, Box. Anything you want to add, you can easily add here. So OneDrive required the password to sign in. Here you see the data of my OneDrive. Here you see the data of my Google Drive. And let's send data to OneDrive to other drive. Create a task. Now you need to choose complete drive, or you can choose the data of the drive. So I'm choose this folder. Now you need to select the destination where you need to send the data. Now I'm select this. Here you see there is no data in this side, so we can make a folder. Okay. And directly cannot be select transfer. We select the subdirectory. Okay. Okay. Not allowed to create folder. Let's try here. Finish. Google Drive new folder, move to OneDrive. Just simply click transfer now. Here you can see they transfer your Google Drive folder to OneDrive. In there you can easily set team. You can easily you send data. If you work in any organization, so you need to add the multiple for your file here, add the target resource, and easy to send one file to your multiple colleagues simply. So it allow you to make backups. So you need to make if I want to make backup of my Google Drive and want to store that backup on OneDrive, it's easily you can easily make the backup in this multi-cloud. And let's send the complete cloud data to another cloud data. So we take another, click on this and click on this. By selecting this, it means that complete data of Google Drive transfer to OneDrive. Now you see both drive data sent to OneDrive. I know you can remove from here. So we need this. Okay. To this. Now both drive data sent to OneDrive. Just click on transfer. Here you can see this data is task 2 is waiting, and the first task is 50%. So you create multiple tasks to sending multiple drive data to multiple drive, or single drive data to multiple drives. I hope you understand. the concept very well. If you don't want to add any drive, you can simply remove, rename, edit, and property. You can try to see one drive, this. So if I want to remove this, you simply click on this and delete. Simply click on this and delete. Simply click on this and delete. I hope you like this video. Kindly share this video with that person who really need this kind of platform where the person can easily manage all their cloud space or storage and syncing functionality on a single platform. It's a very helpful one for those people who really need this. I'm recommending for you guys. Kindly check and reply in my video about the more benefit and more exploration of your site. I hope you like this video. Take care and